Okay, so in this video we're going to be setting up the date and time on our MaxxOne Elite recorder. So the first thing you want to do is open the menu and you want to go to System and then Time. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to set up our NTP. Now make sure you have a network connected to your recorder to do this, because this is a network check to make sure that the time is correct. What you want to do is you want to enable auto update here. And you want to type in your NTP server. Now in England we want to use the 0.uk.pool.ntp.org as our server. We'll leave our NTP port as 123 because that's the standard NTP ports that servers use. And you want to set your interval for 5 minutes just to make sure that it's checking as quickly as it can. And then you want to click apply. Okay, so what it's going to do now is it's going to check every 5 minutes to make sure that the time is correct on our system. Now, as I can tell you here, this is exactly 1 hour early. And the reason for that is because our DST isn't switched on. So what you want to do is you want to go to DST at the top here and you want to enable DST. And in Britain, we use a very standard process. We do March to October and it's the last Sunday at 2 AM. And this is how it's standardized in Britain. So this works very well. March to October, last Sunday, 2 AM. And the bias is 60 minutes and you want to click apply. Okay, last thing you want to check is make sure that time sync's connected, which it is. Should be a standard, but if it isn't, please tick this on and then apply it. And you want to go back to your time parameter. And we can see here now that it says it's 10:55 and it's 20 seconds past, and I can tell you to the second that this is now correct. If your time zone isn't set to 0000 Dublin, Edinburgh, London, I would also suggest making sure that this is set correctly, because this will throw your time out as well. But once all that's set up, you're good to go with your time. And that is how you would set this whole process of time up.